Are you a Latino movie fan? If you are, then this video is going to be an interesting video for you because I'm going to show you one code that is going to give you the Latino movie applications that you are currently looking for. So what you have to do is watch this video right up to the end and follow every step attentively because I'm going to try my best to show everything step by step so that you can follow without any issues on your Android TV. And just as usual, if you find the video helpful, like, subscribe, and share for more important videos like this. So if you're a Latino movie fan, I want to show you a code that's going to get you the applications you're looking for. So what you have to do is, this is my Android TV, and we're going to be using the downloader application. Now I want to say this, if you already have a downloader application on your Android TV, then you don't need to follow the next step in which I'll be showing you how to install it. But if you don't have, please follow me as I show you how to install the downloader application. I'm installing the downloader application because we need it to type in the code so that it makes it easy for us to go to the website on our Android TV without having to type in a URL. So to get downloaded, what I'll do is I'll go over to my browser. I don't have Google Play Store, that's why I'm using my browser. If you have an Android TV that has Google Play Store, then just go over to your Google Play Store and search for the application downloader. But since I don't have Google Play Store, I'm going to use my browser. So I go over to my browser and I search downloader. So here's it over here. It's very easy to search. You just search and you're going to get a result like this. And then here's the download application here. I'll just click on it once and then I'll install it. Remember, I am doing this because I do not have Google Play Store on my Android TV. If you have Google Play Store on your Android TV, then you don't need to use your browser. But if you don't have Google Play Store, then you can use your browser to search for the application. And as long as your TV is an Android TV, you can use any browser. It is going to work. If you are using a Fire Stick, then this is not how you install it. There's a different way you install downloader on your Fire Stick. But anyway, since we're using an Android TV, let's continue. So what I'll do, I'll go over here and I'll click install. I'll click install, then wait for the application to download and install to my Android TV. Then we can go ahead and use it. This is very simple, guys. So as you can see, the application has installed already. What I'm going to do next is to launch the application. So here's it. I'll just go ahead and launch it. Now once you launch downloader for your first time, here's how it should look like. And the way downloader works is you come over to the box over here. I type in a code. It can be a code to an application, a code to an app, a code to a website, a code to whatever. All you need to do is to type in a code which can be 4 digit, 5 digit, 6 digit, 7 digit, or at most 8 digit. So the code we are going to be using here is 7 digit. And this code is going to bring us a website I was talking to you about. So what you have to do, come over here, type in this code. It says 7 digit code 6186 again, 1 again, and 3, and then the last digit 5. So here's the code 61861335. As you type in the code, it's going to just go ahead and launch. It's going to take a couple of seconds to launch, but it's going to bring you to this index of applications which are Latino movies, which are apps for Latino movies that you might be looking for. Now, as a YouTube creator, I have to be careful what I show on my YouTube channel. So because of that, I'm going to be blurring this. But if you follow me attentively and type in the code, it's going to bring you to this particular place. Now here are all the applications here. There are a couple of them, and there are more than 20 applications here. All different types of applications. So as you go over here, you can decide to choose whatever application that you want to install to your Android TV. It's quite very simple. All these applications are going to work on your Android TV. Doesn't matter what Android TV version you have, they're all going to work and they're going to give you what you're looking for. So for instance, how do you install an application from here? So I go over here and I search for an application. Let's see, I want to install an application like I don't even know which one to install. So if I click on this one, once you click on any application, this pop-up is going to come up and then the application is going to start downloading to your Android TV or to your device. Once it's done downloading, you can go ahead now and install by just clicking here, and the application is going to install to your Android TV without any problem. So that's it about this. Once the application is installed, you can go ahead and delete the app file from your Android TV to save space. Now here's one thing I recommend you do once you go over to a website like this. Go over to the top of your screen where there is this 3 line at the top right corner of your screen. The top right corner, there is a 3 line there. Click on it once and then you're going to get this pop-up which is going to ask you to add this current page to favorite. So all you have to do is just add the current page to favorite. What that does is that the next time you go over to a website like this, or the next time you want to go over here, you just go over here and click on favorite, and then it's going to bring you here where you have the favorite website, and you just go to click on it, and it's going to bring you back here, and you do not need to type in the long 7-digit code any longer. So that's a trick you should try or do on your downloader so that you can access this website without any issues. And also, there is one thing I want to add. If you are watching this video in the future, or maybe you're watching this video in like 2 weeks or 1 month or 3 months later, and the code is no longer active, like the code is no longer working, if you go back and type in the code and you get, instead of getting the website, you get a 404 error, this is what you should do. So this is just for the future, please. If you are watching right now, the code should be working. But if you try this in the future and the code doesn't work, please, what you should do is come back to your downloader here and type in this other code. I'll show you how I got to that website. So when you come over here, type in this short code 7. This is how you can do to get to that website. 72609. Type in this short code and you launch. So as you launch, it's going to bring you to this link tree or site. All right, I just want to show you how to go to that site so that in the future you're watching this video, if the code is no longer working, then you can do this to get back to where we are. So as you do, we are going to go over to this site here. It's a link tree called Best Stores on the Internet, brought to you by Joe Maxwell. You can also add this to favorite if you want. It's also a good idea. You can add this to favorite, but you already know how to do that. So what you have to do, go over to this this third option that says DJ Jubi Media or Jubi Media. So the third option, please don't make any mistake. The third option. So go over to the third option. This is what you should do. So just click on the ones. So as I keep repeating, this is only for the future if the code stop working. So go over to the third option, and then you are going to see where we were, which is this category down here that says movie/Latinos. So you're going to click on it once, and it's going to bring you back to where we are. So you use this second method only in the future if you type in the first code, which brings you straight away here, and it doesn't work. If you type in the first code that brings you straight away here and it doesn't work, they can come ahead. You can go ahead now and use the second option or the second method that I've showed you, and it's going to bring you back here, and you're still going to do the same thing we did at the beginning or at the middle of this video. So that is it about this video. If you find this interesting or helpful, you should know what to do. You can subscribe, and also you can send me a super thanks if you want to support my channel above just subscribing. So thank you for watching right up to this point. Make sure to subscribe, and also I'm expecting something good from you.